Respected dignitary, madam, sir, teachers, and all my lovely students. Today is 30th September, and here we are celebrating online mathematics co-curricular activity competition with our AFAC English School secondary session 8th, 9th and 10th C and D division students. So, here they will present various activities on mathematics. I request all of you to watch the entire video and applaud their hard work.
Hello everyone, my name is Shailesh Krishna Kore. I am from AFAC English School. I am studying in 7th C. Today I am here to present my lesson number 3, LCM and the LCM. Here I will make a one chart of game chart. Here I will write 1 to 20 numbers. First we all solve LCM. Here I will take a stick of matchbox. Here I will take 8 and a 12. First you take factors of 8. Factors of 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. Here I will one stick, and then second 12. Here we are solved at 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Here come 3 columns come up same 1, 2 and 4. But here the greatest, you solve a LCM, but here greatest number is 4. Then the correct answer is 4 because your solve is a LCM. Here we solve a LCM. I will take same number 8. 1, 2, 4 and 8. And the same number will come 12. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So much watching my video.
Hello, good morning. My name is Ichha Sharad Mane. I am from AFAC English School. I am studying in 7th Standard Division D. Today I am going to do one activity. Activity name is rational number. So I will open it. Rational number. Rational number in arithmetic or number that can be represented as the quotient P upon Q of two integers such that Q is equal to 0 in addition to all the fraction. The set of rational number includes all the integers, each of which can be written as a quotient with the integer as the numerator and I as the denominator. So we see next. Next is integer. So integer whole values, positive or negative number or 0, the integer are generated for the set of counting numbers 1, 2, 3 and the operation of subtraction when a counting number is subtracted from itself. The result is 0. For example, 4 minus 4, 0. And next is whole numbers. An integer is colloquially defined as a number that can be written without a fractional component. For example, 21, 40, 0 and 2048 are integers, while 9.75, 5 plus 1 upon 2 and 2 are not. And next is natural number. In mathematics, the natural numbers are those numbers used for counting and ordering. In common mathematical terminological words, colloquially used for counting are cardinal numbers and words used for ordering are ordinal number. I will show you examples of number. Rational number 8 upon 7, 5 upon 4, minus 12 upon 24, minus 2 upon 5, 4 upon 60, 2 upon 9, 7 upon 2. 7 upon 20, 2 upon 9, 7 upon 2. 7 upon 20. Integers minus 4, minus 78, 34, minus 328, minus 82, minus 640, minus 10, minus 39. Whole number 0, 27, 60, 49, 10, 38, 42. Next is natural number 1, 5, 60, 11, 17, 2, 40 and 38. Thank you for giving me this chance. Thank you so much.
Hello friends, my name is Aryan Maryavekar. Today we are going to play a small game. Today I am going to tell you about square root of perfect square. I have prepared one working model for you. Now I am going to show how to find out square root of perfect square with help this model. See here, what you see here. Now see here, which number you see here. There is a square root of 1 and answer is 1. Is showing sheet. Can you see the answer? The is 1. That means square root of 1 is equal to 1. Now we will rotate this. See here. Now you can see here square root of 4. Answer is 2. Is a way to find out square root of perfect square. How easy it is with this working model. We can easily find out the square root of perfect square. Isn't interesting? Isn't so much interesting? It is like game. So friends, also try prepare this model at home. Play the game square root of perfect square. Thank you.
Hello everyone. I am Runali Shinde. I am studying in 9th standard. I am from FAC English School. So today in this video I am going to show you one maths trick, that is how to subtracting a number from 1000. So let's start. Here a basic rule to subtract a large number from 1000. Subtract every number except the last from 9 and subtract their final number from 10. For example, 1000 minus 457. So we have to take the last number, that is 457. First step, subtract 4 from 9 is equal to 5. Second step, subtract 5 from 9 is equal to 4. Third step, subtract 7 from 10 is equal to 3. So the final answer is 1000 minus 457 is equal to 543. Thank you for watching my video. Stay safe and healthy. Bye.
Let's start our maths. So in this video we are studying about statistic, means graph. A diagram that use narrow bands of different height to show different amount so that they can be compared. So suppose there are a farmer. He produced wheat and jowar in his field. One surveyor come to him and ask him about his field. So let's see what they ask. Which crop production has increased consistently in 3 years? Farmer give answer with the help of bar graph. It's a wheat. By how many quintals the production of jowar has reduced in 2012 as compared to 2011? It's a 13 quintals. What is different between the production of wheat in 2010 and 2012? 2010 the production is less than 2012 and 2012 the production is more than 2010. Thank you.
Hello my friends, here I am Bhakti Dange. I show you how to find square of number with unit place 5. Let's take an example of a square 75. Firstly, take square of unit place number 5 which is equal to 25. Secondly, take product of tens place number with their next number. 7 multiplied by 8 is equal to 56. So, we got square of 75 is equal to 5625. Thank you.
Hello guys, my name is Tanvi Kadam. I am in 9C. My roll number is 11. Today we will discuss about number line. What is a number line? There are two students who confuse about number line. Definition of number line: a line with equal distance mark of to represent number. Let me explain you with a very good example so that we clear about number line. As you see above, line is constitute of negative as well as positive number. 0 is the origin of the number line. 0 is neither negative or positive. The other numbers on line that is positive as well as negative number, they have equal distance from each other. Other features: number line should have arrows on each end to indicate that go on forever. We use number line to add and subtract numbers. Number line are one-dimensional graph. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Shreya Kachre. I am in 9C from FX English School. Today in this video, I am going to show you what is sets. Set is a collection of elements or objects. Names of the sets are given in capital letters and elements of the set are shown by using small letters. If A is an element of set A, then we write it as A is an element of A. And if A is not an element of set A, then we write it as A is not an element of A. And this is the sign of element. There are two methods of writing set. First, listing method or roster method. In this method, we write all the elements in curly bracket. Example, the set of prime number between 1 and 10. So we'll write all the prime number. P is equal to curly bracket 2, 3, 5, 7 and curly bracket close. Second, rule method or set builder form. In this method, we do not write the list of elements but write the general element using variable followed by vertical line or colon and write the property of the variable. Example, the set of even natural number less than 15. A is equal to x such that x is an even natural number less than 15. Set of the letter of word division, we will write it on both method. First, rule method or set builder form. A is equal to x such that x is a letter of the word division. Listing method or roster method. A is equal to DIVSON. Thank you.
Let's start. Rational number, irrational numbers, natural number, whole numbers, integers. Thanks for watching.
Everyone, my name is Saurabh Krishna Kore from FX English School. I am in 9C. Today I am here to present first chapter sets. So, first I introduce the sets. So, do you know sets? Set is the collection of such objects are called sets. So, the first example of set is collection of numbers and the flower of buckets. So, like this. So, I will tell you the method of sets. There are two methods of sets. First, I will tell you the first method. So, there is the one method is listening method or roster method. First, in this method, we write all the elements of the sets in curly bracket. Each of the elements are the written only once separated by commas. The order of element is not important but the necessary of the right to elements of the sets. Example of odd numbers between 1 to 10 as written. So, first we write A and is equal to 3, 5, 7, 9 because even number and odd numbers. We want to write even or odd number in between of set. So, first we written as like this. So, A is equal to bracket, odd numbers are 3, 5, 7 and 9. Bracket complete. And even number are like this, or A is equal to bracket 2, 4, 6, 8 like that. So like this we want to write, or we write in numbers also and we write in letter also. So we will saw a letter also. और हमें लिसनिंग और रोस्टर मेथड में हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं A इज इक्वल टू, हमें समझो A इज इक्वल टू, हमें क्वेश्चन अगर ऐसा होगा A इज इक्वल टू x रेज टू x इज अ लेटर ऑफ द word division. और ब्रैकेट कंप्लीट. सो हम इसे कैसे लिखेंगे? A.
My name is Vedanti Babasaheb Bhosle. I studied 10th C. My school name is Afek English School. Today's topic is probability. So let's start. Hi everyone. Today's going to 5th chapter probability. Practice set 5.1. We will start. First question. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? So we will start. First question. Vanita knows the following site in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation. So we will start. Ajanta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anmol. So 8 places in Maharashtra. So Vanita can visit any of the 8 places in Maharashtra. Vanita कौन सी भी places पे जा सकती. So she has 8 possibilities. तो possibilities 8 होगी. अजिंठा, महाबलेश्वर, लोणार सरोवर, ताडोबा Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anand. She has 8 possibilities in Maharashtra. चलो सेकंड क्वेश्चन. एनी डे ऑफ अ वीक इज़ टू बी सिलेक्टेड रैंडमली. तो हमें इस क्वेश्चन में ये दिखाना है कि डे में, वीक में सिलेक्टेड रैंडमली पॉसिबल. तो डे वीक में 7 डेज होते, 7 डेज में से कौन सी भी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आ सकती है. मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, कौन सा भी आ सकता है. तो सो देयर आर 7 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ इन अ वीक. Let's start. Third sub questions. Select one card from the pack of 52 cards. 52 cards होते हैं उस पैक में. तो देख रहे हैं 52 कार्ड्स. 52 कार्ड्स में से आप कौन सा भी ले सकते हैं. थोड़ी ना यही लो, आप कौन सा भी ले सकते हो. We say that so there are 52 cards. 52 कार्ड्स में से आप कौन सा भी ले सकते हैं. थोड़ी ना यही लो, आप कौन सा भी ले सकते हो. We say that so there are 52 possibilities randomly. उसमें से कौन सा भी 52 काटते तो वो चिट्स 16 होते हैं, उसमें भी ऐसे ही होता है। फॉर एग्जांपल कौन से भी लो ले सकते हो। सो देयर आर 52 पॉसिबिलिटीज पैक ऑफ कार्ड्स, कौन सा भी आप ले सकते हो 52 में से। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। Sub question 4. One number from 10 to 20 is written on each card. Select one card randomly. 10 to 20 में से कौन सी कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आती है वो हमें बताना है। तो 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, तो इनमें 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ आ सकती है। तो इनमें से कौन सी 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। सो देयर आर 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ रैंडमली। कौन सा भी कार्ड आप चूज़ करो। 10 to 20 में से 11 पॉसिबिलिटी है तो कौन सा भी ले सकते हो। तो 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। सो देयर आर 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़ रैंडमली।
नमस्ते, माझं नाव सायली अंकुश उघडे. मी इयत्ता 10वी आहे. माझ्या शाळेचे नाव अफेक इंग्लिश स्कूल. आज आपण अल्जेब्रा म्हणजेच मॅथमॅटिक्स 1 मधला पहिला टॉपिक पाहणार आहोत. आपल्या पहिल्या टॉपिकमध्ये लिनियर इक्वेशन इन टू व्हेरिएबल ह्या पहिल्या टॉपिकमध्ये आपण इक्वेशन सायमल्टेनियसली कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं ते शिकलो. नंतर आपण ते इक्वेशन ग्राफिकल मेथडने कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं ते शिकलो. आता आपण क्रॅमर्स मेथडने कसं सॉल्व्ह करायचं आहोत इक्वेशन ते शिकणार आहोत. आपण ह्याच्यामध्ये ॲक्टिव्हिटी नंबर 2 सोडवणार आहोत. कंप्लीट द फॉलोइंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी. आपल्याला इक्वेशन दिलेलं आहे त्याने 3x - 2y = 3 आणि सेकंड इक्वेशन दिलेलं आहे 2x + y = 16. आता आपण ते एक रफ पेजवर सॉल्व्ह करून घेऊयात. आधी आपण इक्वेशन लिहून घेऊयात. 3x - 2y = 3. इक्वेशन नंबर 1. 2x + y = 16. इक्वेशन नंबर 2. आधी आपण हे ABC फॉर्ममध्ये लिहून घेऊयात. A1 = 3, A2 = 2, परत B1 = -2 आणि B2 = 1, C1 = 3 आणि C2 = 16. आता आपण हे लिहून घेतलं. आता आपल्याला काय फाइंड करायचं आहे. डी फाइंड करायचं आहे. डी फाइंड करायच्या टायमाला आधी आपण कुठली व्हॅल्यू घेणार. एची A1 A2 B1 B2. मग A1 किती आहे 3 आहे. A2 किती आहे 2 आहे. B1 किती आहे -2 आहे आणि B2 किती आहे 1 आहे. मग आता आपण ह्यांचं काय करणार आहोत. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय करणार आहोत. मग इथं ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 3 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1 -2 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2. 3 1 जा 3, मायनस मायनस काय होतं प्लस होतं म्हणून इथं प्लस. 2 2 जा 4, तर 4 आणि 3 म्हणजे 4 आणि 3 7. मग आपल्याला डी किती भेटला. आपल्याला 7 भेटला. आता आपण dx काढणार आहोत. dx काढायच्या टायमाला आधी आपण कुठली व्हॅल्यू घेणार. कॉन्स्टंट टर्म घेणार आहोत. C1 आणि C2. नंतर आपण B1 आणि B2 -2 1. ओके. आता आपण इथं ह्यांचा पण काय होणार आहे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय होणार आहे. मग इथं ब्रॅकेटमध्ये 3 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 1 -2 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 16. 3 1 जा 3, मायनस मायनस प्लस, तर 16 2 जा 32. मग 32 + 3 35. मग आपला dx किती आला 5 आला. बरोबर. आता आपण काढणार आहोत dy काढताना आधी आपण A1 आणि A2ची व्हॅल्यू घेऊया 3 2 आणि नंतर आपण घेणार आहोत कॉन्स्टंट टर्म म्हणजे C1 C2 3 आणि 16. मग नंतर ना ह्यांचा पण आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे क्रॉस मल्टिप्लाय बाय करायचं आहे. मग इथे लिहूया 3 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 16 -3 मल्टिप्लाय बाय 2. ओके. मग 16 3 जा 48 48 3 2 जा 6, 48 - 6 42. ओके. आता आपण डीची dxची आणि dyची व्हॅल्यू काढून घेतली. आता आपण dx म्हणजे x आणि y फाइंड करूयात. आता आपल्याला आधी आपण फॉर्म्युला लिहून घेऊयात dx/d. dx आपलं किती आहे 35 आहे आणि d किती आहे आपला 7 आहे. 7 1 जा 7, 7 5 जा 35. मग आपल्या इथं आन्सर काय आला x = 5. आता डिवाय करताना आधी आपण फॉर्म्युला लिहून घेऊयात. डिवाय अपॉन डी. मग आपला डिवाय किती आहे? डिवाय 42 आहे म्हणून आपण इथं 42 घेतला. डी आपला 7 आहे. 7 1 7, 7 6 42. मग आपला वाय किती आला? 6 आला. मग आपलं एक्स वाय इज मग 5,6 हे 6 आपलं हे काय झालं? सोल्युशन झालं. अशा प्रकारे आपण हे क्रॅमर्स रूलने इक्वेशन सॉल्व केलं. मग अशा पद्धतीने आपण ह्या ज्या व्हॅल्यू काढलेल्या आहेत त्या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू आहे ना ह्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये टाकलेल्या आहेत. ओके, धन्यवाद.
Hello friends, my name is Riddhi Yadav. I am from FX English School. Today I am probability. Then see what is meant by probability. Probability is the branch of mathematics concerning numerical descriptions of how likely an event is to occur or how likely it is that a proposition is true. The probability of an event is a number between 0 and 1, where roughly speaking 0 indicates impossibility of the event and 1 indicates certainty. Then see random experiment. The experiment in which all possible results are known in advance, but none of them can be predicted with certainty, and there is equal possibility for each result is known as a random experiment. Example of random experiment: first, tossing a coin; second, throwing a card; third, drawing a card from pack. Outcome: result of a random experiment is known as an outcome. Examples: first, tossing a coin. In a random experiment of tossing a coin, there are only two outcomes, head or tail. Second, throwing a die. In a random experiment throwing a die, there are 6 outcomes according to the number of dots on the 6 faces of die: 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Third, drawing a card from pack. A card is drawn randomly from a pack of well-shuffled playing cards. You can see there are 52 cards in a pack as shown below. Total cards is 52, then 26 red cards and 26 black cards. 26 red cards in 13 hearts cards and 13 diamond cards. Then 26 black cards in 13 club cards and 13 spade cards. In a pack of playing cards, there are 4 sets, namely heart, diamond, club and spade. In each set, there are 13 cards as king, queen, jack, 10, 9, 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and ace. King, queen and jack are known as face cards. In each pack of cards there are 4 cards of king, 4 cards jack. Thus total face cards is 12. Let's start practice set 5.1. Question number 1. How many possibilities are there in each of the following? Sub-question 1. Vanita knows the following sites in Maharashtra. She is planning to visit one of them in her summer vacation: Ajinta, Mahabaleshwar, Lonar Sarovar, Tadoba Wildlife Sanctuary, Amboli, Raigad, Matheran, Anandwan. इस प्रश्न में यह बताया गया है कि वनिता महाराष्ट्रीय स्थलों को जानती है और वह उसके गर्मियों की छुट्टी में वह महाराष्ट्रीय स्थलों को देखने की योजना बना रही है. आंसर यह आएगा कि वनिता इन 8 में से किसी भी स्थानों पर जा सकती है. तो वनिता कैन विजिट एनी ऑफ द 8 प्लेसेस ऑफ महाराष्ट्र. और उसके पास कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है? सो शी हैज़ 8 पॉसिबिलिटीज़. सब क्वेश्चन 2. एनी डे ऑफ अ वीक इज़ टू बी सिलेक्टेड रैंडमली. मतलब सप्ताह के किसी भी दिन को आपको रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करना है. आंसर तो पहले हम यहाँ लिखेंगे कि सप्ताह में कितने दिन होते हैं. तो सप्ताह में 7 दिन होते हैं. तो हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे देयर आर 7 days इन अ वीक.
कौन से 7 दिन होते हैं? मंडे, ट्यूसडे, वेडनेसडे, थर्सडे, फ्राइडे, सैटरडे, संडे। तो यहाँ पे कितने पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है? सो देयर आर 7 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। सब क्वेश्चन 3, सिलेक्ट 1 कार्ड फ्रॉम द पैक ऑफ 52 कार्ड्स। तो आपको 52 कार्ड में से एक कार्ड को चुनना है। तो यहाँ पे आपको कुछ 52 कार्ड्स दिख रहे होंगे, उनमें से आपको एक चुनना है। तो हमारे पास कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है? सो देयर आर 52 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। सब क्वेश्चन 4, 1 नंबर फ्रॉम 10 to 20 इज़ रिटर्न ऑन ईच कार्ड, सिलेक्ट 1 कार्ड रैंडमली। तो प्रत्येक कार्ड पर 10 से 20 तक का एक नंबर लिखा होगा, तो आपको कौन सा भी एक कार्ड रैंडमली सिलेक्ट करना है। तो आपको यहाँ पे 10 से 20 नंबर के कुछ कार्ड्स दिख रहे होंगे। तो 10 मतलब 1 होगा, 11 मतलब 2 होगा, ऐसे कुल 20 नंबर मतलब 11 कार्ड्स होंगे। तो यहाँ पर कितनी पॉसिबिलिटीज़ है? सो देयर आर 11 पॉसिबिलिटीज़। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो।